We're in Leamington, Ontario at the headquarters of New Energy Farms. Behind me, you can see part of that New Energy is miscanthus. Dean Thiessen, president of New Energy Farms, has developed new varieties working in conjunction with the University of Illinois, University of Guelph. But most importantly, he's a farmer and he understands how to plant this crop, how to take the establishment costs, and probably has cut 2/3 of the price of establishing this crop. And he is now selling material around the world, right here from the research done on farm in Leamington, Ontario.
The greenhouse industry in Leamington, Ontario has approximately 2,000 acres of greenhouses, similar to what we're in here today, growing fresh fruits and vegetables for the North American marketplace. Around 30 to 40% of our operating costs in the greenhouse business translate to energy. Energy meaning to heat our greenhouses. So throughout the years, we had been fuel switching from various fossil fuels, from coal to heavy oil to natural gas, back to heavy oil, finding the cheapest fuel. Back in 2005, the Thiessen family of farms that now has approximately just over 40 acres of greenhouses, all of us switched to biomass. So 2005, 2006, we reduced our energy costs by as much as 70%. Which relates to, in dollars, back during the last energy bubble that we had, we were paying approximately $100,000 or slightly more than $100,000 per acre to heat a greenhouse. Now today we're heating anywhere between $25,000 and $26,000 an acre, and because of the new crops that we're growing, i.e. miscanthus, we're able to position ourselves and have a long-term stable supply of energy. One of the things that got us started, being the energy component, has now turned into products and fibers, and it's the birth of New Energy Farms. So right now we're standing in a field of miscanthus giganteus. This miscanthus crop is 3 years old, so we harvest it every year, but it's a 3-year-old crop, and it is now reaching peak biomass, that it will continue to harvest this amount of biomass per acre or per unit area for probably the next 2 to 3 decades or more.
New Energy Farms' main area of competence is in developing long-term biomass feedstock supplies for individuals. So the customers range from groups that are looking for, as an example, a fiber that they can put into a biocomposite, to an individual that might have looking for feedstocks for an anaerobic digestion system, large companies that would be developing second-generation pathways for biofuels, cellulosic pathways, as well as combined heat and power. Our main crops, which still are quite relevant today, are growing greenhouse vegetables. We're now moving into many different species of these crops, where our main focus was miscanthus. Now we're moving to crops like Arundo dunax, Pennisetum purpureum, which is Napier grass. And right now what's really exciting for New Energy Farms is the development of sugarcane. Sugarcane is one of the largest grown biofuels in the world. So New Energy Farms has significantly evolved over the last few years and continues to. One of the most satisfying, exciting parts of new businesses are the wonderful networks and the people that you meet every day. From various customers with unique technologies to groups that provide a lot of assistance, and one of those individuals is Gord Serger and his organization. He's opened so many doors for us, I guess is the way to say it. He has given us an enormous opportunity where by bringing ourselves together with many others, and each one of those relationships and doors that he have opened has pretty much yielded into something further down the line. And it's a matter of us now capitalizing on that and taking it to the next level for the future.